Dadz of Dadz, Sherman Dadz. This is for the haters, it's for the haters, it's for the hate. And this is why they hate us, it's why they hate us, it's why they hate.
Cause we don't play. Catch me in Jamaica, burn trees all day with a fine looking girl from across the way. We floss, don't care what the cost to pay. That's why they hate.
Couples, August 23rd, birthday.
Hey man, where my real niggas at in this motherfucker, man? You feel me? Do the real nigga walk through for me, hey! I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? I done made a few bands on the walk through.
Yeah, so it's a nice day. It was better than expected. It was a nice weekend. Good birthday. A nice gift. Big up mums, pops, grandma.
Few bands on the road too. People don't know now, don't talk to. Me and Parliament in big, he a boss too. Sitting at the round table making balls move. I don't walk through with Gucci on my feet. Who got more money, you or me? I'ma walk through usually with my nigga, better believe that I got the tool on me. I done smoked past security. What the fuck do you need glasses?
Hello.
Pets. So, this is the walkthrough. August 23rd, 2015. Big ups to everybody, the whole crew. Dadz of Dadz. Liquor more.
You see me when I'm coming full speed, got that V12 running, and I'ma jump the fence if I see 12 coming. Even if I were blind, I could still smell money. I can't trust no outside niggas, they could tell on me. I'm the alphabet boy, cause I keep a L on me. I smoke good, throwing up my set in your hood, nigga. I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? I done made a few bands.